Hello and welcome to the Section 4.1 application walkthrough. For the first four problems, we're just looking at some of the more advanced problems that you would have seen in the last section that we went through. In the first one, the way I would do it is I would look at flipping both proportion, or the entire proportion. So I'd have 3 over 4 equals x over 8. Okay. And really then it's just solving a one-step equation by multiplying by 8. Okay, and that's a pretty quick and easy way to get that problem done. 8 times 3 is 24, divided by 4, and that's going to be equal to x. And so that gives us that x equals 6. Okay, just an easy way to get those type of problems done. We did talk about two different ways, and that's just one of those ways that we can do it. Okay, and I think that you're more than equipped to solve all those proportions. They're not that bad. Just stay focused on what you have to do, and you should be fine. In the next problem down here, the multiple proportions. Suppose you know one proportion is, one proportion where 12 is to 72, as x is to 24, while at the same time you know x is to 36 as y is to 81. So it says here you want to solve for x first, then use it to solve for y. Let's at least get x. And if you haven't really tried this and you want to give it a shot, please do that before watching this. And you can pause it and try it yourself. But the first proportion you'd set up is 12 over 72 equals x over 24. Okay, and then the other proportion, I'm going to put it over here a ways, is x is to 36 as y is to 81. So you can see where it would help to know x, put it in here, and then solve for y, basically using the same strategy. I'm just going to multiply by 24 on both sides. So here I'm actually solving for x. If you need to try it, or if you haven't tried it yet, please pause the video and do so. But here I'm going to use a calculator and go 24 times 12. And that's going to give me 288. Divide that by 72. And that gives me 4. So x equals 4. Plug that in over here. 4 over 36 equals y over 81. I'm going to stop there and let you do the rest. Okay, and you're just going from here, solve for y, use the same thing you did over here, and you should be fine. Okay, in the next one, we're building a scale model. And it says that I want to make a scale model of the Mccullough Bridge. The actual length of the bridge is 5,305 feet, and the actual height is 279 feet. And the scale model will be 25 feet long. So you want to match up length over length. So I'm going to say length of the model over length actual equals the width of the model. Or sorry, not width. We're using height. And so that's height of the model over height of the actual. And I would say that you know everything but one of those numbers, and so then you could solve for the one using the skills that you've acquired in this section. So that'll be it for us today. Good job, good luck on getting these problems done, and good luck on the mastery challenge. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. See you later.